You don't need a restaurant to get that shatter crisp bite, just the right deep fryer that heats fast, holds temp steady, and doesn't punish you with cleanup. Today, we're counting down the best deep fryers from number 7 to number 1, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your kitchen, your budget, and your fried food obsession. Number 7. OVENTE FDM2201BR. This is a compact 2-liter stainless steel deep fryer that's designed for small batch frying without taking over your counter. It's got an adjustable temperature range that tops out around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the sweet spot for most home frying like fries, shrimp, and onion rings. In testing, the first thing that stands out is how approachable it feels. The lid helps cut down splatter, and the overall setup is pretty beginner-friendly. Fill oil, set the dial, wait for it to come up to temp, and you're off. OVENTE markets it as quick to heat with a 1500-watt element, and for a small tub of oil, it does warm up reasonably fast. Where it starts to show limitations is consistency when you're cooking back-to-back batches. With smaller oil volume, dropping in cold food can pull the temperature down, and you'll notice your second batch sometimes comes out a little darker on the outside before the inside fully catches up, especially with thicker frozen foods. That's not a deal breaker, but it does mean you have to fry in smaller portions if you want truly even results. Cleaning is mostly straightforward since the oil container is designed to be cleaned separately, but this is still a budget-friendly unit, and it feels like it. The build is fine, but it's not the kind of fryer that inspires hand it down to the next generation confidence. And if you're rough with appliances, you may want something sturdier long-term. Number 6. Elite Gourmet EDF 2100. This is another compact stainless style deep fryer built for convenience, with adjustable temperature up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and a relatively small footprint. Depending on the exact version you find, the line includes models around the 1.5 to 2 quart size, aiming at personal to small family batches. In real use, it's an easy fryer to like at first because it checks the home fryer basics box. Adjustable thermostat, lid, and a design meant to reduce splatter while letting you keep an eye on the food. It also targets that fast, crisp promise, with a heating element that can keep oil hot enough for common fried favorites like wings, fries, and zucchini. But here's the honest catch. Compact fryers like this can feel a bit optimistic in their marketing. Even if it heats fast, the moment you load up the basket, the oil temperature drop is noticeable unless you're careful with portion sizes. So you end up babysitting your batches more than you want, smaller loads, more rounds, and a bit more time standing there than you expected for a quick fryer. It's also the kind of fryer that works best when you treat it like a single meal tool rather than a party machine. If you're cooking for friends or family, you'll be running multiple batches, and that's where the experience can shift from fun to slightly tedious. Still, for dorms, apartments, and small kitchens where you want real deep-fried texture without spending a lot or storing a huge appliance, it can do the job. Just don't expect it to behave like a big-capacity restaurant-style unit. Number 5. Presto, a 5420 FryDaddy electric deep fryer. This one is a totally different philosophy. Minimal controls, minimal fuss, and surprisingly effective results. Presto's big idea here is automatic temperature control, no dial to babysit, so you're basically using a consistent, ideal frying temperature approach rather than precision tuning. What it does incredibly well is simplicity. In testing, it's the fryer you pull out when you're tired and you just want crispy food without thinking too hard. It's also famously oil efficient, using about 4 cups of oil to make multiple servings, which is a big win when cooking oil is expensive and you don't want to fill a huge tank. The non-stick build helps a lot with cleanup, and since there's no basket assembly to scrub, it removes one of the most annoying deep fryer chores. Instead, you're often using the included scoop approach, stir, lift, drain, and serve, so it feels closer to snack machine energy than kitchen project. The trade-off is control. If you like dialing in 325 degrees for delicate items and 375 degrees Fahrenheit for crispier batters, this isn't that kind of fryer. you're trusting its built-in temperature behavior. And while it works well for classic foods, it's not the tool for people who follow specific frying charts or experiment with specialty batters. For small households, quick cravings, and anyone who values ease over precision, the FryDaddy is a lovable, practical pick. 4. Masterbuilt MB20012420. Now we're stepping into feed a crowd territory. This is a 10-liter electric fryer that's also designed to boil and steam, making it more of a multi-purpose outdoor garage, large kitchen workhorse than a small countertop gadget. The headline feature is capacity. Masterbuilt specifically markets it to fit up to a 20-pound turkey, which tells you immediately what kind of parties this thing was born for. If you've ever wanted to do a turkey fry with less hassle than propane setups, electric plus big volume is a real advantage. In use, the drain valve is one of those features you don't fully appreciate until you've had to dispose of hot oil the wrong way. Being able to empty oil or water safely makes the entire experience feel more controlled and less like a risky balancing act. It also adds safety-minded touches, like a magnetic breakaway cord, which is exactly what you want on something that can hold a lot of hot liquid. The lid and basket setup make it feel like a real cooking station rather than a basic countertop fryer. The only reason it's not higher is that it's specialized. If you're mostly frying small snacks and weeknight sides, the size can feel like overkill. But if you host, tailgate, or cook big batches, it becomes a very smart investment. Number 3. Chefman RJ07-45-SS. This is a larger capacity countertop deep fryer built for people who want family-sized batches without jumping all the way to turkey fryer scale. It's known for features like adjustable temperature control, a viewing window, and a removable basket designed for easier draining. In practical testing, the size is the big upgrade. You can fry more in one go, which means fewer rounds, less waiting, and more consistent serving. Everyone eats together instead of one person eating while the next batch finishes. That alone makes it feel more premium, even before you taste the food. The viewing window sounds like a gimmick until you use it. It helps you avoid constantly lifting the lid. Every time you open a fryer, you mess with heat and release more vapor. So being able to check color without opening is genuinely useful. It also leans into convenience and safety with features like a breakaway-style cord and dishwasher-safe removable parts, which reduces the friction of actually using a deep fryer regularly. Because the truth is, people don't stop frying because they hate crispy food. They stop because cleanup feels annoying. For a home setup, this hits a great middle ground. Big enough to matter, controlled enough to be consistent, and designed so you'll actually want to use it more than once a month. 2. Presto 54666 Dual Basket Pro Fry. The big story here is flexibility. Dual baskets aren't just for frying two foods at once. They're for timing, portion control, and keeping textures right. You can do fries in one basket and wings in the other, or cook two smaller batches so you don't crash the oil temperature with one huge load. In testing, the dual basket format changes the whole workflow. Instead of drop everything and hope, you can stagger cooking, pull one basket early, and keep the other going without turning your kitchen into a chaotic rush. It's also great if you're cooking for picky eaters or want to separate seafood from everything else. This category of fryer tends to appeal to people who actually use a fryer like a tool, not a novelty. The more you fry, the more you value control over the process, and dual baskets give you that control without making you buy a commercial unit. Cleanup is still deep fryer cleanup, no magical escape there, but because you can manage portions better, you often end up with cleaner oil and fewer burnt crumbs, which helps oil last longer and keeps flavors fresher batch after batch. If you want a step-up home fryer that feels capable on game night, family dinners, and multi-item meals, this one earns its high ranking. 1. T-fal FR702D51. It earns the top spot for one reason. It solves the part of deep frying most people hate: dealing with used oil through a patented oil filtration system that filters and stores oil in a dedicated container. In real-world use, this makes deep frying feel less like a messy, guilty project and more like a repeatable cooking method. When the oil filters and stores cleanly, you're far more likely to fry again next week because you're not dreading the cleanup or wasting a ton of oil every time. Performance-wise, T-fal pairs that convenience with solid frying fundamentals, temperature control in the common frying range, and a design intended to deliver more professional results by helping the oil recover heat quickly for crispier textures. That matters when you're cooking multiple batches of wings, fries, or breaded items, and you want consistent crunch instead of grease. It also leans hard into practicality. Many parts are dishwasher safe, excluding the control unit, which is a huge deal for a fryer you'll actually use. When cleanup is realistic, the appliance stops being a special occasion only purchase and becomes a regular option in your kitchen rotation. If the goal is the best overall deep fryer, crispy results, repeatable performance, and a cleanup system that doesn't ruin your mood, the T-fal FR702D51 is the one that feels like it was designed by someone who actually fries at home and got tired of the usual hassles. Final thought, that's all for today, folks.